Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Y'all have seen the title, so y'all already know that I'm going to try a brand new restaurant in Pattaya. So still from the Bali Pier, the Golden Ramsey Street Burger is right there. In again Pattaya, right next to Terminal 21. Upon my arrival, I noticed these EV charging stations for electric vehicles. So beyond the street we have Terminal 21, and around here every shops on these premises, including this McDonald's, are a component of again Pattaya. And compared to the last time that I was here, y'all can observe a lot of new openings too. We arrived, I'll let y'all see inside. Watch this. As y'all can see, they got a bunch of decorations, some sitting outside on the terrace and on the first floor. The full menu is available on Google and I took the first sandwich recommended by it. Until now, the most expensive burgers I've ever eaten were at Burger King, and this one is in the same high-end category. And that was the total amount for 2 meals. Anyway, since I was right next to Terminal 21 and had noticed all these changes in again Pattaya, I had to go and check it out. Still the same outside animations. That's the first time that I saw these cars on that floor. Let's explore them together. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.